behalf of the team at RBK, I'd like to welcome everybody, all our attendees, to the event at the Johnstown Estate today. This is our 14th year doing this, and we're delighted you could take time out to attend. What I would like our delegates today to take away from the event in relation to strategic planning is that it's about understanding your vision and getting it into life and off the page. And rather than having a strategic plan that sits on the shelf, that it would be a business enabler that drives the business of the credit union forward into the future.
It's always great to be here at these annual conferences. This is my fifth year here now, and it's great to be able to give back to our clients and to meet with the guys face to face. It is really important to deal with underperformance at an early stage because the impact that it can have on the employee and the team and also the credit union is the reputational risk in the long term. Members' trust as well could potentially impact on your compliance and regulation obligations. So it is extremely important, it is key to act on underperformance early.
Well, the key trends emerging from this year's benchmarking report are increasing loan-to-asset ratios. Credit unions are showing increased profitability. Positively, the brand recognition has won awards in terms of customer experience. There are areas to focus and work on in terms of embedding the Asset Liability Management framework, operational resilience framework, and just general digital and IT infrastructure.
My experience of working with RBK as a team has been very, very positive, always very engaging. They have supported us with external audit services and most recently governance and assurance kind of oversight with kind of policies, etc. But they're always engaging, always at the end of a phone. They're always really, really supportive.
The credit union team have been really fantastic. In Ballinlough Credit Union, we've been working with Michelle and the team for probably 6 or 7 months at this point on the risk management side, and we found them really, really excellent to deal with.
RBK have worked with Clonmel Credit Union for the past 8 or 9 months. The professionalism, the dedication and the way they've embedded into the organisation in a very short period of time has been remarkable. What RBK are offering to us, we've retained them as risk officer in the risk officer function. However, they bring so much more in terms of the value add because they're obviously dealing with credit unions right across the sector and indeed with companies in other sectors as well, and they're bringing all that experience to bear. So there's a depth of knowledge, I suppose, and a depth of expertise that's very much available to us and that they share very generously, and that's really useful to somebody like us.
I think what's lovely about today's event is it's an opportunity for people to step away from behind the desk, get out of their own little nucleus and mix and mingle with everybody. It's a great opportunity to meet your counterparts in the sector, and it's also an opportunity just to network and enjoy a day in what is otherwise a very busy working life.
Well, it's always good to get out of the office and to come and kind of network and see people, because sometimes you can get bogged down in your own day to day. But yeah, always brilliant conferences, always really insightful, and always something I look forward to.
Yeah, it's fantastic to meet and connect with existing clients and meet some new faces and meet some old friendly faces as well, so it's fantastic.
I thought the credit union conference was really great today. It was great to hear about what's going on in the industry and to meet colleagues from around the country.